Alright guys, what's going on? So today, I'm going to show you guys about SUICA and PASMO. So these cards are what you use to take the train from wherever you need to go. You use this to get on the bus. It has a bunch of different various uses. So I'm going to show you how to load it up with money, and then I'm going to show you how to touch it and go through to the train station. So that's what we're going to get into today. Alright guys, so here is the machine. So when you need to reload, look for one of these machines here. You see, it says tickets, and you just look for one of these machines. So you come over here. Actually, it has English. So as you see, they have the English selection. So if you don't know Japanese, you can navigate in English. Click it like so.
Some pieces of further information
they start speaking in English.
in English.
So here, this is the coin slot. So if you got a bunch of coins, you would just use this one. Bills here, as you can see. Bill. And you get your change here. And that's where you put your card at. So, yeah. Alright, so we're going to load up the PASMO. So, first, you just put it right here. As you can see, it says Kado, or card in English. Place your card in there. Now, on the menu is going to show how much is on your card, as you can see in English, balance, and then how much you want to put on your card. So let's throw a 10 on here, Japanese money. And this side right here, this is the bill here. Place. Now it's reading the card. Press the amount you want to use, and that's it, just like that. So now this has an extra 10 bucks or 10,000 yen on it, and that's simple. So here is the machine. You just tap your card right here, and then in here it'll show your balance, and then those doors will open and you'll just walk through. So I've already came out the station, so I don't need to do it, but it's as simple as that. Tap your card here, get your balance, and then just walk through, and that's it. Alright guys, so here is the PASMO, here's the SUICA. So you might be wondering, so what are the differences between these two? Well, actually, it's not really much of a difference, but they both can be used at convenience stores, so you can actually purchase things with these. You can use them on some vending machines. You can use these at arcades sometimes as well, and from iPhone 8 and up. The main difference is that the SUICA is owned by JR companies, whereas PASMO is by private companies. So you can think of it like a Visa and a MasterCard. Like, they both credit cards with credit, but they both function in the same kind of way, just by different companies. That's basically how these go. And SUICA is just a little bit more popular. So yeah, that's basically the difference. But yeah, you can use this to buy food sometimes, things from vending machines. So it has a lot of uses. So make sure you get one. And to get one, you just get it from the station. Like one of the machines. You just buy it from one of the machines. $10 one with 1,000 yen, or a $20 one which is 2,000 yen. And a tip for doing Japanese money is just remove the 2 zeros, and whatever is left is the equivalent amount of money in USD. So yeah, hope this video helps. Alright guys, I'm out.